What you're about to see is not from a movie. This is real. This is power. This is the JF-17 Thunder, Pakistan's pride, the sky's hunter. From the blazing roar of its engine to the precision of its missile strikes, the JF-17 Thunder is rewriting the rules of air dominance. Built for speed, designed for accuracy, and feared by enemies, this jet isn't just flying, it's making history. The JF-17 Thunder isn't just an aircraft, it's a statement, a declaration that Pakistan's skies are not empty. They are watched, guarded, and defended by precision-engineered firepower. Every rivet, every panel, every circuit has been forged with one mission in mind: to defend the motherland with honor. Look closely at the wings, not just metal but strategy in motion. Observe the engine thrust, not just heat but controlled rage. Witness the cockpit. Not just screens and buttons, but the eyes of a guardian, ready to strike. The JF-17 Thunder has earned its name on countless missions, from border patrols to international air shows. It speaks a universal language: performance. It doesn't bluff, it proves. Its advanced radar locks onto threats long before the enemy knows they've been seen. Its missiles don't miss. Its agility in dogfights is admired even by adversaries. Let's take a moment to salute the minds behind this machine: engineers, technicians, pilots, the unsung heroes who made this dream a reality. They didn't just build a jet, they gave the nation a sword. As the JF-17 Thunder slices through the clouds, it carries the hopes of millions, the sweat of thousands, and the pride of a nation. Fire if this power amazed you. Hit the like button now. It really helps us reach more patriots like you. Speech balloon, let us know in the comments. What do you think is the most powerful feature of the JF-17 Thunder? Pushpin, and if you want more videos showcasing Pakistan's rising defense capabilities, make sure to subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon so you never miss a moment of national pride. Now let's go deeper into what makes the JF-17 Thunder an icon of aerial warfare. This multi-role combat aircraft was co-developed by Pakistan and China, yet it's been indigenously upgraded and maintained by Pakistani engineers to meet modern battlefield needs. The Block 3 variant of the JF-17 comes equipped with an AESA radar, advanced electronic warfare systems, a helmet-mounted display, and the ability to fire beyond visual range BVR missiles. These upgrades make it a serious contender in any theater of war. The cockpit is a marvel of modern engineering: glass displays, fly-by-wire controls, and intuitive interface designed to maximize pilot focus during intense operations. During recent military drills, the JF-17 demonstrated not only unmatched agility in low-speed dogfights, but also high-precision strike capabilities at standoff distances, a feature previously reserved for far more expensive Western aircraft. When a JF-17 takes off, it doesn't just leave the ground, it takes the nation's trust to the skies. Every launch is a message that Pakistan is ready, prepared, and proud. Our pilots train relentlessly. Behind every maneuver is thousands of hours in simulators and live exercises. These aviators don't fly machines, they become one with them. Do you remember the day when the JF-17 made headlines across the world during an actual combat situation? Proved its worth in real time, under pressure, in contested skies. And let's not forget the psychological edge. The roar of the JF-17 engine has become a sound recognized by allies and feared by foes. Commands attention and respect. What makes this even more incredible? The JF-17 provides fourth-generation capabilities at a fraction of the price of Western jets, making it a strategic choice not just for Pakistan, but for friendly nations looking to modernize their air forces. It has already been exported to multiple countries, a testament to its growing international reputation. This isn't just about hardware, it's about strategy, sovereignty, and self-reliance. Behind every sortie is a command structure, logistics chain, maintenance crew, all working in sync like a well-oiled machine. And while the world races toward 5th-gen tech, Pakistan has shown that with innovation, you can stretch the potential of a 4th-gen platform like the JF-17 well into the future. So the next time you see this jet cut across the sky, know this: it's not just flying for defense, it's soaring for dignity. Megaphone, don't leave without subscribing. Join our growing family of defense enthusiasts and aviation fans. Every subscriber helps this message fly higher. Movie camera, like, share, and drop your favorite JF-17 moment in the comments below. We read every comment.